Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. And I know I've discussed this before with some of the other reviews that I've done about the cap community. And the people that, if I had never started doing these reviews from the beginning, these people I would never came across before, ever. And so like the cap community is like one big family. And the people you meet, I mean, not so much in person, but online, are just great people. And no different from this here. We have Ryan Reimer, who watches all the Gentleman's Roundtable episodes and very active on our pages, as well as Scally, a lot of the other pages as well. And he also makes caps. And I consider him, he definitely uses more than 10% of his brain. And I call him Dr. Reimer, but he is a doctor. But not too long ago, I had a cap that he liked, and so I sent him it. And, just because dude's a great guy. And little did I didn't expect anything in return. And he was like, "Hey, I'm going to send you a cap." I was like, "Oh, okay, I appreciate that." And so I don't know which one he sent me, but he knows I'm a huge fan of Star Wars. And he sent me a couple pictures, and like I said, I told him to surprise me, whatever it was. I'm not gonna tell somebody what to send me if they're just sending it to me out of their kindness. I'll let them choose and let it be surprised. So let's go and open it up. Yep, and thank you for all the support as well, Dr. Reimer, and you making comments on the round table when you're watching, just so we know you're there. We appreciate it. We appreciate, the support most of all. But not just us, the community, the support you give the community as well. When you show off your custom hats, it makes me jealous. But yeah, I finally can say I got a Reimer cap. All right. So, all right. Now, I don't know what this one's called, but it's definitely got the Star Wars effect. Look at this. Ha! Love it, love it, love it. Okay, it's got Darth Vader on the inside. So I have a feeling I'm going to call it the Darth Vader. Look at this. He got his own little tag. Ryan Reimer. Little skull and crossbones. He's got a brown leatherette brim. Man, this thing is nice. But yeah. And I told him I was 60 centimeter. And, yeah, with that Darth Vader there. We're going to go show a clip. I'm pretty giddy about this. Yeah. You got the lightsabers. You got the blue and the green for light. This is just awesome. I love the color pinwheel. Definitely Moose approved with the color pinwheel. I like the bright colors. We got a tan, a brown. We got like a blue plaid, a green plaid. And then we got like a red, what's those kind of jeans called? With the lines in them when you rub them together, like corduroy. And then we got a gray, like a felt. Yeah, this thing is pretty sweet. The dude is magic. We're going to show a close-up, and then I just can't wait to try it on. Let's go and show a close-up of this. And here's a close-up. Like I said, we got those browns, the tan, the brown, the blue, the green, the red corduroy, the gray, and then we got the blue. Man, that just looks, this is definitely me. How sick is that? I like this. Huh. And you got the leatherette brim. And you got the Darth Vader. Ryan Reimer. Man. This is great. This is great. It's got so much, oh man. I mean, look at the shape of it. I mean, the shape is just perfect. 8-panel. Look at the button on the top. Matches the green lightsabers. Whew. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and try it on now. All right, so we have the Ryan Reimer Darth Vader. 60 centimeter. Man, I don't even want to try it on. It's just so, I put this up there with the some of the other specialty caps we got. Let's see here. All right, let's do it. Yeah. Huh. Let me bend that brim a little bit more. Bend the brim a little bit. Man, yeah. How about them apples? This thing feels great. The Darth Vader. There used to be a song with Cool Keith. It used to be Darth Vader. Watching DVD with your new beta. And may the force be with you. You guys know who Cool Keith is? But yeah, man, that is great. This is a 4.8. 4.8. Man, oh man. Thank you, Dr. Reimer. This is by far superior what I sent you. I guess I owe you a couple more favors because this is top notch. Man, oh man, this is great. Let me get this on. Sit on my head a bit more. There we go. Whew. Now I got to get me a Darth Vader pen. Wow. Wowzers, cheese and crackers. This is it. Thank you very much, Dr. Reimer, for the cap. I'm speechless. I'm very impressed. Your quality is top notch. Amazing. Amazing. You know, you get a cap sometime, you put it on, you're just like, wow, this is one of those caps. This is one of those caps. So, in the near future, I will probably be bugging Mr. Reimer about some more caps. This one is sick. All right, everybody. Reviews of Moose, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, Dr. Reimer. Everybody who's not familiar with him, look up Ryan Reimer on Facebook and all the posts. He's just a great guy. See you guys next time. Please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks again for watching.